You know what's up when your boys rolling up, man. It's your boy X, and today we back with another banger, man. Today we watching episode 4 of Chainsawman, and listen, this is a top tier new gen, so if you haven't already, go and check it out. But let's get right into it, you dig? Your boy got a little allergies, so let's just not even worry about that if you hear it. Yeah, she's so, oh, damn. Imagine though. Imagine if you was that bird though.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, I thought she was going up in my boy ass right now. Oh, she got the bear pack? That's fire. That's fire. She could kill a bear, that's fire. She's like a vampire type shit. I mean, she's a blood devil, but she's essentially a vampire. Aww. My nigga here now. You ain't gotta cry about it, baby. My nigga Denji putting that pain. Yes, sir. Blood and guts everywhere. I know it must smell like ass in that bitch. These smell like straight doodle water. Cause, baby, we here to grab them titties. Like, you said what it was. The cat is in your grasp. Yeah, cough it up. Foolish. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Let's go. She's gonna let you grab a titty. Go grab it. You take it too long, bro. The window, bro. The window's closing. The window's closing. The door. There we go. That's all. Oh. You slacking. What the fuck is that? The BBC devil? That shit like a fucking kiak. Nah, my nigga Denji low-key moving right now. Hold on. BBC incoming 3 o'clock. Watch out. Cause we them niggas. I mean, I feel like it's bigger than just fondling titties. Minky. Oh my god. Just grab one of her shits, boy. She got like extra titty for everybody. Like, you better grab a hold of them bitches and swing. Ooh, what's this? Hold on now. My boy was running straight for the ussy just now. I see you, Denji. You freak. You a freaky freak, ain't you? Oh my god, look at this fighting animation. Drink her weird worm blood. Oh my god, like, why does that look like a tip? Yeah, like, everybody home with my son, like, grabbing titties, not like a real plan or something. Like, nigga, I wake up every day in the morning and work 12 hours just to go home and grab some titties.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Oof, we moving. Front, side flip. Running on the BBC. Sliding on the BBC. Jumping on the BBC. Drifting on the BBC. Tying her big ass up. With more BBC. Dropping her dumb ass. Oh my goodness. She's comboing this nigga with BBCs right now. This nigga eyeball about to pop out. What the fuck? Demonical. Bitch, give him some blood. You the blood, bitch. My nigga pulled him a Luffy. Ew, what is that? I'm dripping down from all that shit right there. Nigga, like, just do me one of them right quick. Just like, just hit one of the like dumb bitches. Like, just push that bitch in there right quick. Is he cool? Bitch, you not innocent. We know what you done did, bitch. You not low. You really try to slay, like, well, you really try to sacrifice my son Denji for it. She trying to fall? She trying to fall? Hold on. Let it be low. She trying to fuck? Hold on now. And she made the bitches jump. Yo! Got in the bathroom with my nigga Denji. You already know what time it is, baby. Denji! Denji! Don't fumble, Denji. Don't do no fucking Sanji shit. And pass out from a fucking nosebleed. Okay. 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 Denji, you cannot fumble. And she kind of bad, Denji. Don't tell me it's the end of the episode. Oh, they moving like One Piece. Listen, man, that was a calm ass episode. We didn't really see too much. Denji versus the Leech Devil, definitely some fucking fire. Chainsawman's on a 10 for 10 streak for me right now. It's been banger. Like, it hasn't had an episode that has brought down the perfect score for me. You know what I'm saying? We started off with a perfect score, and every time we see something we don't like, I'm taking that bit down. So far, it's still at a 10. So, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think down below about Chainsaw Man. If you've watched it. If not, go check it out, man. It's super tough. If you haven't already, man, follow the socials up above. Hold on. Follow the socials up above. You know what I'm saying? So you know when your boy posts. You can join the Discord and interact with your boy personally. But that will be all for today. Thank you very much. Peace.